Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today channel, Dance Sreyoun is going to present you about the most famous Thai actresses. Yaya Sreyoun, more commonly known as Yaya, is a Thai actress and model of Norwegian descent, known for her roles in Wang Jayakuni, 2010, Game Rai Game Rak, 2011, Tarani Ni Kray Krong, 2012, Kloon Chi Wit, 2017, and The Crown Princess, 2018. She has been acting since 2007 to present. Yaya was born on the 18th of March 1993 in Pattaya, Thailand. She is of Norwegian and Thai descent. She is fluent in Thai and English. She knows some phrases in French, Spanish and Norwegian, but she is not fluent in any of these. Sreyoun attended Regents International School Pattaya for primary and secondary education before moving to Bangkok Patana School. She graduated from Chulalongkorn University with a Bachelor of Arts degree in 2015. She is 1.71 meters and she is 48 kilograms. She has elder sister, Katreya, and two stepbrothers from her father's side. Her favorite color is green and her favorite food is somtam, papaya salad, kai kem, salty eggs, nam prik nam, grilled goat pepper paste, salmon, sticky rice and fried chicken. Her best friends are Kimberly and Woltemas and Margie Rasra Balenciaga. In her free time she likes horseback riding, swimming, basketball, soccer, pottery and painting. She isn't married but she is in a relationship with the most famous Thai actor Nadeku Jimia. Yaya has further stabilized her acting abilities and position in the entertainment industry with her roles in several dramas. She has endorsed famous brands including Maybelline, Pandan and Uniqlo. Sreyoun is the first Thai actress who received the title of Friend of Louis Vuitton and became the first ever Thai celebrity featured in US Vogue. Yaya Sreyoun, the half-Thai/Norwegian actress, is the hottest breaking star at the moment. She entered the industry in 2008, but it wasn't until 2010 where she gained immense popularity and created a name for herself with her portrayal of the fearless, daring Jeet in Wang Jayakuni for Hu Jai Hang Kun Kao. Her acting and pairing with co-star Nadeku Jimia captured the hearts of so many fans across the country, where the two are now the most popular kukwan of this generation. Before, Yaya could only speak 30% of the Thai language, because she attended international school since childhood where most of her friends were American. After being discovered by Pot2 and signing a contract with Channel 3, Yaya motivated herself to learn the language until she was proficient. And along with the help of a special tutor, she became fluent. Until today, she still remains to be the darling and beloved heartthrob of the Thai industry. Her popularity stems from various facts, one being that she is sweet, caring and down-to-earth to everyone she encounters, whether it's her fans, producers, directors, co-stars, fashion designers etc. Everyone who has worked with her can vouch for her on being ethical and professional with her job, making her an easy person to work with. Yaya has the reputation of an adorable lead actress who is very prim and proper and never has had scandalous news. Therefore she is considered to be a good role model to all viewers. Furthermore, her perseverance to simultaneously work and finish her BA at Thailand's #1 top university, Chulalongkorn University, while maintaining at least a GPA of 3.3 has gained her the admiration of many people within the showbiz. She is well known as the angel of the entertainment industry as well as the queen of presenters with a total more than of 210 commercials, the highest figure in the history of Thai entertainment. Her nickname is Yaya, because her father couldn't pronounce Arasaya, which means daughter in Thai, so the name Yaya was formed. She used to be an exchange student in Australia for 1 month in 2004. She was initially supposed to be named Christine but her grandmother disapproved of it. Bensporn Cheetna Songkhla revealed in her interview with Tonight's Show for Mon Chanter that when she first saw Yaya on screen in the Lakern Cooler Brine Arm, she called TV scene producer Kun Pin and told him this young girl will surely be popular. As Ben's predicted, Yaya did become very popular. and Thong Prasim original wanted Yaya in Punya Chong Kon Krua 2012, but Yaya was already busy filming Terani Ni Kray Krong 2012 and was about to film Maya Tawan 2012. Vian's interview from manager Anand Everingham revealed in his segment with Woody Talk Show that he adores her. In his viewpoint, there are many people in the industry with big egos, so he is refreshed by Yaya, who always has an aura of sincerity. Yaya is one of the top 10 highest paid actresses in the industry. Younger actresses like Prem Ranita, Nakanudnijatungquitana Wanich, Priyatasanya and Nautazanart consider Yaya to be their idol. Yaya is the first Thai actress who received a title of Friends of Louis Vuitton. Yaya is the first Thai celebrity featured in US Vogue. These are her dramas such as Pune Si Long Hun with Tawaritip Gamat ch.3/2008, Bongon Mayom with Nat Natarat Morris and Namphan Pajaran, Cooler Brian Arm with Rome Pachat Nampan ch.3/2010, For Hujai Hankun Kadwang Jayakani with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2010, Tawan Deert with Mark Prine Superat ch.3/2011, Game Rifai Gamerik with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2011, Terani Ni Kray Krong 2012 with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2012, Maya Tawan 2012 with Amadich Harchamnanan ch.3/2013, Daurong with Portrait Sadisahawang ch.3/2013, The Rising Sun, Roy Rakakliam Tawan with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2014, The Rising Sun, Roy Vantawan Dured with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2014, Noong Nasuang with James G. Rayutangs Risik ch.3/2015, Kloon Chiwit with Mark Prine Superat ch.3/2017, Lelup Celebror with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2017, Likatrik with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/2018, Klinkis along with James Ma ch.3/2019, Lake Canary with Nadeku Jimiya ch.3/upcoming, Q-Tur with Mario Moore ch.3/upcoming, and Jagamne went 2020 with Mario Moore ch.3/upcoming. This drama is on hold. Waiting announcement by production. That is all about Yaya. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dance Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.